Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Parramatta for Parramatta at night. Now departing platform number 4 for a City Circle service we have Waratah Series 1 A26. Should be stopped next at Harris Park, followed by Granville, Clyde, Auburn, Lidcombe, then all stations to Strathfield, followed by all stations to Wedfern, then Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum. Series 1 Waratah is A26. I'm only here for like 15 minutes in real time, so I'll try to get as many trains as I can in that time frame. So next stop, Harris Park. Another Series 1 Waratah set is A28, now departing platform number 1, Hornsby via Macquarie University service.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Penrith. First stop Westmead, then Seven Hills, Blacktown, and then all stations.
We have V31 now departing platform number 1 for a Sydney Terminal service. Stopping next to Strathfield, followed by Sydney Terminal. V31. Terminating Parramatta service arriving on platform number 4. Front half is S98. And the rear 4 cars is S127.
The next train to
we should have a North Sydney service now departing platform number 1. Front half is T33.
Seven Hills, Blacktown, and then all stations to Penrith.
And the rear 4 cars is T26. Whilst we have a Richmond service arriving on platform number 3, A19 is a set. I may not film the whole train, I do not want to get the guard on video. Anyway viewers, here comes my train, which is another Series 1 Waratah Penrith service, stopping next at Westmead, followed by Seven Hills, Blacktown, then all stations to Penrith. Series 1 Waratah is A49. Anyway viewers, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.